Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Did you know you can create AI images directly inside WhatsApp? And not just images, you can even animate them using Meta AI. No extra apps, no complicated setup, and you can do everything straight from your phone in just a few minutes. So if you've been seeing people create AI art online and you want to try it yourself, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI images in WhatsApp using Meta AI, how to make better prompts for better results, and also how to turn those images into animations. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open WhatsApp on your phone. This works on both Android and iPhone, but make sure your WhatsApp app is updated to the latest version because Meta AI features may not appear on older versions. If you're not sure whether your app is updated, just go to the Play Store or the App Store and check for updates. Once you're inside WhatsApp, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see a colorful Meta AI icon. Tap on it. If you don't see the Meta AI button yet, don't worry because not everyone gets the feature at the same time. So here's another way to access it. Tap the new chat button instead. After that, look for an option called New AI Chat or simply search for Meta AI in the chat list. Once you find it, tap on Meta AI to open the conversation. Now you're inside the Meta AI chat window. At the box of the screen, tap the message box. This is where you'll type your AI image request. To generate an image, start your message with the word imagine. After that, describe the image you want with Meta AI to create. For example, you can type imagine a tiger walking through neon lights in Tokyo, or maybe imagine a futuristic gaming room with RGB lights. So you can even create fantasy scenes like dragons, castles, superheroes, anime style art, marketing, realistic cinematic photos, something like that. The more detailed your description is, the better the result usually becomes. So instead of saying imagine a dog, try saying imagine a fluffy golden retriever sitting beside a campfire at night with cinematic lighting. That gives the AI more details to work with. Once your prompt is ready, tap the send button. Now Meta AI will begin generating your image. Usually it only takes a few seconds. And there it is. Your AI generated image will appear directly inside the chat. Honestly, some of these results can look really amazing, especially if you use detailed prompts. Now let me show you something cool. Tap on the image to open it in full screen. From here you can zoom in. You can save the image to your phone, share it with friends, or post it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever you want. And yes, you can generate as many images as you want by simply typing new prompts. For example, you can try prompts like imagine a cyberpunk city during rain, imagine a luxury sports car on Mars, imagine an anime girl with glowing blue eyes, or even funny ones like imagine a cat working in an office. You can really get creative with it. Now, here's the part most people don't know: you can actually animate the images too. So, yes, Meta AI can turn your generated image into a short moving animation. So, here's how: after the image is generated, press and hold it, or simply reply to the image. So, type something like animate it, or you can describe the motion you want. For example, make the waves move slowly. You can say add falling snow, or make the character walk forward, or animate the fire in the background, something like that. Then send the message, and Meta AI will process the image again and create an animated version. So, depending on the image, the animation can look surprisingly smooth. This is honestly one of the easiest ways to create AI animations directly from your phone without using editing apps. Now, let me give you a few tips to get even better AI images. First, try adding lighting descriptions in your prompts. So, words like cinematic lighting, golden hour, neon lights, realistic, ultra detailed, 4K, or photorealistic. So, this can sometimes improve the image quality. Second, try different art styles. For example, you can say Pixar style, anime style, oil painting style, realistic photography, or Studio Ghibli inspired. So that changes the overall look of the image. Third, if the image doesn't look right the first time, don't worry. Just edit your prompt a little and generate another version. Sometimes small changes can make a huge difference. Now let's talk about a common problem. What if Meta AI isn't showing in your WhatsApp? So if that happens, here are a few things you can try. First, update WhatsApp. Second, restart the app. And third, log out and log back in. And lastly, remember that Meta AI is still rolling out in some countries and regions, so some users may receive the feature later than others. Also, make sure you have stable internet connection because AI image generation needs internet access to work properly. And that's basically how you can generate AI images and animations in WhatsApp using Meta AI. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Are you tired of creating content that just blends into the background? What if you could freeze your viewers in their tracks and hold their attention for minutes instead of seconds? Introducing Freezer, the AI video creator built to make viral storytelling videos for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Freezer handles everything from idea generation to script writing, visuals, voiceover, music, and editing. No hours of tedious work, no expensive software or big crews. Just pick your topic, hit go, and you have a ready to upload video. Whether you're a creator, business owner, or marketer, you can repurpose any story, even from Reddit, into a high impact video. Create short form, long form, any language, any niche. Want to sell products, build your brand, or monetize your channel? Freezer gives you the tools to do it. Imagine your product, your service, your story reaching thousands, tens of thousands, even millions. It's not just a dream, it's what Fraser is built for. So, what are you waiting for? Get Fraser now. Just go to getfraser.in.